Hi guys, welcome to Merlin's Ears. Today we're going to give you a tour of the Sequoia Lodge Hotel at Disneyland Paris. Just going to flip the camera around now and show you the room. Okay, so when you first come in the room, on the left here you've got kind of like storage wardrobe space. Got a shelf up on the top there, plenty of hangers, and of course the safe there with instructions on the front how to use it. Behind me here we have a nice sized mirror, a single sink, hairdryer, which is always very handy, and we've got some storage down here as well. Just cupboards, I think. Yeah, just cupboards. And then separate to the sink you have got the bathroom. So here we go. I'm just going to shut the door because the toilet is actually behind the door. So that's that area there. I mean, it does feel a little bit dated considering this hotel had a refurb not too long ago. Maybe it's just the theming, it just feels a little bit dark in here. There is some Disneyland Paris shampoo on the wall there. Oh yay, and we've got some more here. We've got shampoo, which I'll probably take home with me like we all do. So there's just sort of somewhere to hang your coats there. A full-size mirror to check yourself out before you head to the parks. Excuse our luggage just there. Two good-sized beds. So it's a bit brighter in here, and some really lovely sort of Bambi artwork on the wall, and see at the top there. So the Sequoia Lodge is obviously sort of Bambi themed, which was part of the refurb a few years back. It just got bedside table there. We have noticed already that there aren't any plug sockets near the bed, so charging phones and everything's going to be a bit of a problem. No USBs either. We have got a charging point just down there. Also, you need to bring your European adapters with you. Some glasses and an ice bucket there. Then we've got a fairly small size TV. More storage. Looks like it's quite big drawers actually. Oh no, it's just, okay, it's just one large drawer. It looks like it's 6 small ones, but actually 3 large drawers. That's pretty much it. Looks like we've got aircon as well. So one of the best things about this room is the view. We're on the north wing, on the 4th floor, so you're kind of overlooking, and over there is where the lake is. And at certain times of the day, here you get to see the Panoramagic balloon going up. I think I've got a picture of that, so I'll put a still image of it in here for you. So now you've kind of seen the room, we're going to leave you with a montage of the hotel facilities. We've really enjoyed staying here. It's always been one of my favourite hotels at Disneyland Paris, and I think after this trip it remains my favourite hotel at Disneyland Paris. Really comfortable, the staff have been so friendly, it's a great location. Thank you for joining us on this room tour, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!